Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake. Today we're taking a closer look at the renewed Zebra ZT411 Thermal Transfer Industrial Printer. Now, if you're in a business or warehouse setting and you need a reliable, industrial-grade printer, this is something you'll definitely want to check out. And, if you want to buy this exact model, there's a link in the description below, so make sure to check that out after the video. So, let's break down what makes the ZT411 stand out. First, we're talking about a thermal transfer industrial printer, and that's an important distinction. Thermal transfer printers are all about durability. They use a ribbon to transfer ink onto the label, which gives you a much longer lasting print than a standard direct thermal printer. If you need labels that can survive extreme environments, think heat, cold, moisture, chemicals, this is exactly what you want. The ZT411 has a print resolution of 203p. Now, 203p is perfect for most barcodes, shipping labels, and industrial labeling tasks. You're going to get crisp, readable labels every single time. And if you need something a bit sharper, Zebra actually offers other models in the ZT400 series with 300p, but for most applications, 203p is more than enough. One of the biggest selling points of this printer is its 4-inch print width. That gives you flexibility. Whether you're printing small product labels or larger shipping labels, you have the capacity to handle both. And the print speed is solid too, so even if you've got a big batch of labels to go through, the ZT411 can handle it efficiently. Connectivity is another area where Zebra really shines. This printer isn't just limited to USB. It comes with serial, USB, Ethernet, and even Bluetooth support. So whether you're plugging it directly into a computer, connecting over your office network, or using a mobile device, you've got options. That kind of flexibility is huge for industrial or warehouse environments where setups can vary. Now, let's talk build quality because this is where the ZT411 really shows its industrial roots. Zebra designed this printer to handle tough conditions. The chassis is rugged, the components are solid, and the whole unit feels like it's built to last. This isn't one of those flimsy office printers that can barely survive a move across the desk. You're getting a workhorse that can handle heavy-duty printing day in and day out. Ease of use is surprisingly good, too. The printer has a color LCD interface that makes it easier to navigate menus, check status, and troubleshoot issues. Zebra also makes loading media and ribbons straightforward, which is important because if your printer is complicated to set up, it slows down your workflow. With the ZT411, it's designed so your team can get up and running quickly, and since this is a renewed model, you're also getting it at a more budget-friendly price point compared to buying new. Without sacrificing the core features and reliability Zebra is known for, renewed doesn't mean compromised. This unit has been tested, refurbished, and is ready to perform like new. Another feature that's worth highlighting is Zebra's LinkOS environment. This allows you to integrate the printer with various enterprise software solutions, making it easier to manage multiple devices, deploy updates, and even monitor printer health remotely. For businesses with multiple printers in different locations, this is a big deal. For those of you who care about versatility, the ZT411 supports a wide range of label materials: paper, synthetic, die-cut, you name it. That means you're not locked into a single type of label. Whether you need shipping labels, inventory tags, asset tags, or even compliance labels, this printer can handle it. The ZT411 is also designed with maintenance in mind. Zebra's engineers built it to minimize downtime with features like easy ribbon replacement, simple media loading, and modular components that can be swapped out without needing a service call. In an industrial setting, downtime is costly, so having a printer that's easy to maintain is a huge plus. Let's quickly talk software. Zebra provides robust printing software, drivers, and utilities to make sure your workflows are smooth. Whether you're printing from Windows, Mac, or even mobile devices, the setup is